Okay, Dr. Deuk here on August 19th, 2020. And for those of you who watched the surgery yesterday, the Deuk laser disc repair, we did an L4-5 left side. This young lady has had back and left leg pain for about 11 years, on and off. It's gotten worse over the last couple of years. And she used to have pain shooting down her left leg. So we met and we talked about surgery. One option was fusion, which is a big messy surgery, very painful. The other option was laser surgery with the Deuk spine, and you chose the laser surgery. So you're here the next day, coming back in for a checkup. How you feeling?
Better.
You got a smile?
I had also had a previous surgery, so you know, nothing worked, and I even had stem cell, and that didn't work either.
That's good information.
So everything I had wasn't working. You were my last hope.
And now, how are you feeling?
I can stand straighter, and I'm standing, and I'm not feeling that.
No more leg pain.
That butt pain I used to get when I'd stand up straight is gone.
Awesome. And how about the pain you had in your back in this area?
Right now it's just numb from the surgery, you know, kind of achy, but no pain. I turned over last night and I used to have to help myself because I'd always be ready for that pain. And last night I waited for that pain when I started to turn over and it wasn't there.
Good.
It wasn't
so it's
there.
gone, basically.
So
what would you say to people who say you can't cure back pain or leg pain?
You come here to this guy.
It matters where you go, right?
Don't waste your time. Oh yeah.
Yeah, because you had surgery before and it didn't work.
I accidentally found you.
Good.
So
it was a good accident.
It was great. You were in my insurance. So.
Well, we were just talking about Alaska because she has a Sitka, Alaska.
Sitka, Ketchikan, all those. But when I went, I had the pain, so it wasn't as walking around there. I couldn't go on a hike with my wife. I couldn't go with the hike that she went on.
You're going to have to go back and do it all over again, this time without pain, right?
Yes. Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome, sweetheart. My pleasure. Anything else you want to say to the world?
I just say, come to this man.
All right. Well, thank you. Now go out and enjoy life.
Thank you.